Welcome back to the lounge. I'm Detective Bannet, and today, disaster has struck. Mrs. Higgins' famous chocolate cake has been stolen from the kitchen at 2 a.m. 3 suspects were in the house, but only one is telling a grammatical lie. Are you ready to solve the case? Let's investigate. First, we have the son, Leo. He looks exhausted. Leo says, "I slept the whole night. I didn't hear anything." His grammar seems perfect, but is he really as innocent as he looks? We have the dad. He's completely lost in his music. He says, "I was listening to music." His grammar is flawless, but if you look at the table, you might notice something he forgot.
Next is the daughter, Lily. She's clutching that book like her life depends on it. She says, "I read a book when the lights went out." Wait, listen to that sentence again. I read a book when the lights went out. Did you catch it? I'll give you 10 seconds to think before we move on. So, detective, who is our thief? Let's look at the clues. Dad says he was listening to music, but his headphones aren't even plugged in. And Lily? She said,
I read a book when the lights went out.
But in English, when one action interrupts another, we use the past continuous. She should have said, I was reading a book.
The thief is Lily. She was so nervous she forgot her English tenses. Case closed. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the Logic and Language Lounge for your next